IHS is releasing a new round of rear crash prevention ratings on 8 of the most popular small SUVs. These ratings evaluate vehicles' ability to help drivers avoid crashes while they're backing up. Rear crash prevention systems use ultrasonic sensors mounted at the back of the vehicle. They first warn the driver if there's an obstacle behind them, and in some cases can automatically apply the brakes to avoid a collision. Many vehicles also use radar units as part of a rear cross-traffic alert system to warn if there's a vehicle crossing their path as they back up. Backing crashes occur frequently and can result in significant damage that's often expensive. Our research has shown that these type of systems can reduce backing crashes by 80%. For that reason, we want to encourage manufacturers to equip their vehicles with these type of systems. 4 of the 8 small SUVs earned our top rating of superior. They were the Ford Escape, the Honda CR-V, the Mitsubishi Outlander, and the Subaru Forester. The Ford Escape was our top performer. It only impacted the passenger car target in 1 of our 24 test trials. 3 vehicles earned our advanced rating. They were the Mazda CX-5, the Toyota RAV4, and the Volkswagen Taos. The Hyundai Tucson received a basic rating. Unfortunately, its rear automatic braking system was unable to avoid a collision or reduce impact speeds in any of our test scenarios. If you're in the market for a small SUV, this class offers a wide range of performance, so we encourage you to go to our website and check out the ratings.